want you to go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and go on your YouTube bar, click on the red subscribe button, and then ring the bell to get notified of all the new videos that are coming out. You can be on top of everything. Alright, let's jump back into it, shall we?
Welcome back to Grumpy Outlaw Kitchen, where we're going to give you a little sweetness today. And we're going to be making a Hawaiian dessert, blueberry mochi. Yes, I said mochi. So let's introduce the ingredients, or should I say the cast of this recipe. So introducing sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, evaporated milk, butter, rice flour, blueberry filling. Alright, so we're going to start off melting our butter. You're going to need 2 sticks. Okay, I would say start in 30-second increments. You don't want to burn your butter, just want it to give a melt. Even if you have little chunks in it, still use it. It'll melt while you mix. Up to sugar. And you want to mix in the sugar. So you want to take the whisk and stir it into your butter. Your melted butter, and you'll see that it'll get a little thickened too as you do it. Alright, so the next thing we want to do, we're going to add the evaporated milk. We're going to mix it in. So with our eggs, we're going to take about 4, and we're going to slowly stir them in. And I would say two yolks at a time, and really blend it in and beat it in. All right. So what I forgot to mention earlier is my handy little backup. It's going to be baking powder. You want to put 2 teaspoons into your mixture. Let's see. Keep stirring as you put in the powder and get the sides until the chunks are no more. Then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Stir that in. And next we're going to start with our glutinous rice flour. Alright, so the next we're going to add is the rice flour. We're going to add the entire bag, 16 ounce. And we're just going to gradually add and stir. Get the sides as we go. Okay, so now we're going to pour our mixture into our pan. The next part is going to add your blueberry filling. So you want to take about 12 ounces of this. You just want to pour it in slowly and give it the marble look. Okay, so after you've mixed the filling with your curd, your mixture, give it a little marbleized look. You're going to place it in the oven for about an hour at 350 degrees. All right, so when it comes out the oven, I just like to do a little test where you stick the butter knife in or a toothpick, pull it out, and if it's clean and that gooey ooey, you're good to go and you're good to serve. Here's your slice, but here's mine.
Alright, if you lasted this long watching my video, why don't you do yourself a favor and click the subscribe button, followed by liking, and then leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel. I'll see you next time. I'm Grumpy. I'll holla.